We got a nice fight coming up between Douglas Silva Andrade and Javier Reyes. Nelo Silva de Andrade lost to Manu Jones, Seidman Magomedov defeated Cody Stamann, Sergey Morozov, Gaetano Pirello. These were all close losses, dominant victories. Javier Reyes having a record of 22-5-0. Colombian fighter is 5'10", 73 inches of reach, fighting out of Phoenix, Arizona, born in Bogota, Colombia. He is Troy Justice Torres at Dana White Contender Series. He used to have a decent career at LFA, and he is a very tough guy. Also lost to Arian Douglas, but defeated Chase Gibson. Defeated Alvaro Bacalao, Steven Valencia. I think someone is going to sleep here, but I have a feeling that Douglas Silva de Andrade might actually score a knockout victory. Javier Reyes leaves himself wide open, and this might work against him, so de Andrade to win or no distance.